I'm going to show you how to change the size of the icons located on your Windows desktop. First, right-click your mouse button, select View, and then scroll to your right, select Large. There, the icons increase to a larger size. Now, I'm going to right-click again, select View, scroll to the right, and I'm going to select Small Icons. The icons went to a much smaller size. Most of the time the default icon is medium. So I will right click, select View, scroll to medium icon, and it is restored back to normal. That concludes changing the size of the icons on your Windows desktop computer. Thank you.